Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn what is the eligibility for setting up the YouTube advanced features for your channel and how to go about it. Also, do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So I have already uploaded one video on my channel wherein you can update your general plus channel settings the right way. And this is very critical because a lot of features on your channel from YouTube in your studio are unlocked when you update the general plus channel plus advanced settings on your channel, right? So how to go about it? So first, when you go to your channel, you just have to go to settings, and once you go to settings, you can see general over here channel, and in channel you can see the advanced settings. Now advanced settings and feature eligibility are very two important parts because it unlocks a lot of features for your channel, right? And what are these features is something you can check over here, right? So the standard features which are unlocked when you do this is you can add collaborators to playlists, you can add new videos to your existing playlist creation and video upload. So only if you are enabled for standard features, you get these features active for your channel and you can do this, right? The intermediate features are one where you get to do once enabled custom thumbnails, live streaming, and videos longer than 15 minutes. If your intermediate features are not enabled, you won't be able to do this features, right? So for this, the requirements are your standard features should be enabled and you should verify your phone number. So how to do it over here since it is enabled, but if it is not enabled, you will get an option over here and you can just click on it and submit your phone number. Now the third feature is advanced features. Now why this is critical is maximum features which are necessary for growing your channel are unlocked over here once this is enabled. It contains appealing content ID claims. Now, what is content ID claim? You can see my video on copyright content detection. Now, anyone raises any claim that your video is a copy or part of video is copy, you can appeal that, and that option is only enabled when you have this advanced features. Else, your video might be taken down. External links in video descriptions. If you can share affiliate links, you can share any other links of your blogs or channels over here. Embed live streams, create more live streams daily, create more shorts daily. A and B testing of titles and thumbnails, which is very critical because you can test multiple things for your title and thumbnail, which works, you can keep it permanently. Upload more videos daily and be eligible to apply for monetization. This is very critical. If you have not been enabled for this feature, you won't be eligible to apply for monetization even if you have met the criteria. Now, what is the requirement for doing this? Requirement is first your intermediate feature should be enabled, and one of these, what is one of these? Either video verification, valid ID, or channel history. Now I have got enabled for this channel via channel history. Now what is video verification? It's just like when you apply for KYC, you just have to select this option. You have to simply look at your phone camera and follow the prompts. Look up or down to get quick access to advanced features. After 2 months of channel activity and following our community guidelines, you will establish channel history and you will automatically delete your video. That is the verification video, right? So once you do this, you can get you can get verified for this or use a valid ID like a passport or driver license to gain quick access to advanced features. Or you can just have your channel history. You have to build your channel for 2 months, and once it is done, you will get approved. So I for this channel have got approved via channel history, and that is a better way. You get approved within 2 months. You don't have to apply for anything, or so you get by default approved. And once you're done, you get everything enabled for your channel. And before you uploading anything, my suggestion is just get enabled for standard and intermediate features. This don't require anything. You can just verify your phone number and get enabled for standard and intermediate features. And advanced features you can get basis channel history also automatically approved once 2 months of channel history is there, or you can do video verification and valid ID verification, either one of this for your verification. I hope this is clear. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section. We'll get back to you with resolution. Uh, if you have found this useful, do like the video and share it with your friends who are in the YouTube journey. Do like and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.